Now for the million-dollar question. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is the integration of many emerging technologies that collect and leverage industrial big data to drive manufacturing and supply chain automation, provide real-time insights, and close communication feedback loops for faster decision-making in the manufacturing process. The next stage of factory automation is only possible if an organization's cyber-physical systems create and collect high-fidelity data, automatically analyze it, and pass relevant information to the right machine or person at the right time. In addition, the data must be in a usable format for the recipient, whether human or machine. Smart machines collect and analyze data to direct other devices and people. The data is connected across all parts of an organization to increase manufacturing productivity in real time. With this level of big data connectivity and intelligence, factories, plants, warehouses, and machines can be fully automated. Not all necessary data comes from machines. Human data entry from engineering, procurement, logistics, and customer service must be accurate and high quality. Humans are often responsible for entering foundational or source information like CAD data, pricing, and customer feedback. Inaccuracies within the data input can lead to costly errors. These errors must be mitigated for the successful implementation of Industry 4.0.